This is Blackbird weather alert system. However, the next raining is thunderstorm will be um, passing some our region. Next one will happen in the future year 2099. However, this future year 2099 raining is thunderstorm will impact blizzards for some areas. Repeat, how that our latest thunderstorm that went in Asia thunderstorm with blizzard happened back in the past of 207. However, this will most likely happen again. But this one will be happening in the future year 2099. Some areas will be when in a thunderstorm. Not all. But however, this one, future year 2099, will have blizzards hit the United States. But our latest wind in a thunderstorm with blizzards happened. That blizzard hit Canada in 207. But this wind in a thunderstorm with blizzards impact will be, this one will hit the United States of America in the future year 2099. Watch out for it. And when it thunderstorm will happen in Texas or around hot places. However, some areas in the United States will experience blizzards. Be on the watch out for it. Wait. Thanks for listening and have a great day.